In this review, I'll walk you through Loyverse POS, a point-of-sale solution designed for small businesses looking for an easy-to-use, yet powerful system. The platform offers a free version, which is a great option for small retail stores, cafes, and restaurants. But let's explore if it's really as good as it claims. First, the setup process is incredibly simple, which is a big win for business owners who don't have technical expertise. It's cloud-based, meaning you can access your data from anywhere, which is very convenient for multi-location businesses. One thing that stands out is the flexibility in the types of businesses it can accommodate. Whether you're running a retail store or a restaurant, Loyverse has specialized tools to meet your needs. Inventory management is straightforward, and sales tracking is integrated into the system. You can generate reports that help you monitor your profits and losses, track employee performance, and more. However, there are limitations. While the free version covers the basics well, you may find yourself needing more advanced features such as loyalty programs, advanced reporting, or integrations with other software. These features are only available with the paid plan, which could be a deal breaker for some. Also, while the user interface is clean and intuitive, certain features, like the inventory module, can be a bit cumbersome for more complex businesses. Need unlimited virtual cards for business or personal use? Loyverse lets you create, customize, and manage cards instantly. No hidden fees, no paperwork. Create a free business account right now using the link in the description. The mobile app works well, allowing you to accept payments and manage your business while on the go. It supports both Android and iOS devices, which is a plus. The integration with payment processors is smooth, and you can accept a variety of payment methods including credit cards, debit cards, and mobile payments. However, you may face some issues if you need to use more specialized payment gateways, as not all options are available. Loyverse also offers customer support, which, while helpful, could be improved in terms of response times. The help center is decent, but sometimes you might find yourself waiting longer than expected for assistance. The community forums are another useful resource, where users share tips and solutions to common problems. Overall, Loyverse POS is a solid choice for small businesses that are looking for a simple, affordable POS system. The free version covers most basic needs, but if you require more advanced functionality, you'll need to opt for the paid version. For those just starting out, it's an excellent way to manage your business without breaking the bank. Don't forget to check the links in the description for more resources to help you get started. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like it and subscribe to the channel for more reviews and insights into the best tools for small businesses.